Hey guys, my name's Aaron Feely, and thank you for watching. I'm here to talk about Richard Blumenthal and why he's such a terrible senator. Uh, my, I have a complaint. My father, who's a trustee of my grandparents' estate, got a cashier's check that's being held in a trust for $1,340,000. It's a real estate trust. My dad got that check because he needed it to be protected. An out-of-state court was trying to seize property outside of their jurisdiction. So my dad got that check to protect it. He gave People's United Bank good funds to get that check. And then these lawyers, these out-of-state lawyers, started to work with the lawyers at People's United Bank. And they made some kind of a backdoor deal. They so-called stopped payment on a cashier's check that my dad has in his possession right now. My dad gave them good funds for that cashier's check, and they're not going to honor the cashier's check. They ended up sending a second one to Nevada, where a bunch of lawyers, a corrupt judge who is now retired right after he made this illegal act, steal my grandparents' money. We went to Richard Blumenthal. The People's United Bank is in Bridgeport, Connecticut. It's about a block and a half away from Richard Blumenthal's office. We went for him because he sits on the committee at Consumer Protection. And we said, hey, we've been robbed $1,340,000 from People's United Bank. Right down the street is where they made the backdoor deal. And Richard Blumenthal has done nothing. His people just say that, you know, this is a court problem. They just throw up their hands. They do nothing. So Richard Blumenthal supports big banks ripping off the public, and you know, we don't need it. This is an election year. Richard Blumenthal, you're out. We don't need you. You're worthless. This isn't about, you know, paying someone for a bad haircut and wanting your money back. This is for $1,340,000. A bank a block and a half away from you has stolen my grandparents' money. Here's a copy. It's a crappy copy, but here's a copy of the cashier's check. I'm sorry that it sucks so bad, but anyways, if you want, I can email you a copy of this. I can send you guys copies of any email that correspondence between Blumenthal's office and me, of them just being idiots and me trying to explain what the damn law is to them. Here's my contact information. Again, my name is Aaron Feely, 503-970-4899. And then my email address is aaron@kissupholstery.com. Feel free, anybody, to call me, email me, anytime, anything. I've got truckloads of semis of evidence. You know, this is the kind of things that Americans are talking about right now. We're sick and tired. We are just sick of it. You know, we elect these worthless politicians and they sit back on their ass and just collect money and they do nothing. Nothing. Guess what, Richard Blumenthal? You're out. You never fought in Vietnam. Why don't you just go there now? Just get out of this country. You're worthless. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Feel free to get a hold of me. I'll talk to anybody. Anytime. That's it. Let's do it. Richard Blumenthal, goodbye.